Hey guys, Rhett down here in Birmingham. What is going on? Have something really cool to show you today. Have a client who has this property behind me under contract for $52,000. Now, a lot of you reach out to me and say, Rhett, I live in California, I live in Florida, I live in the Northeast, I live in New York, I live in Texas. Where do you get these properties for so cheap? Well, you just got to know where to look, how to look, and how to buy the right ones. So here, I'm so excited for you, Chuck. This is Chuck's first property under contract for $52,000. It needs 33 in work to get it up and running and ready to go. Really excited for him. Another question I get asked, and while we're on the topic, is how long does it take to get a tenant in these units? Well, we do things crazy fast. On average right now, it's taking us about 1 day. The majority of our properties, we already have tenants lined up before they even hit the market. We're not even having to put a lot of these houses on the market. I know that the house behind me is gonna be just like that. So let's head on in, guys. Remember, $52,000 under contract, $33,000 in work, all in for $85. We're gonna kind of blow through it quick. I'm gonna hammer everything out that needs to be done. It doesn't smell great in here. I don't wanna be breathing in a lot of the smell. So we're gonna get in, get out, all right? So come on in. So guys, coming in here, we are gonna do very standard. We are going to put all new carpet in this entire house. It needs all new outlets. It needs all new paint. It needs just about everything that you can imagine. It needs all new light fixtures. Right now you're standing in a living room, opening up into a big, huge dining room, which is great. Really nice space here. Off of this dining room, and keep in mind, everything in here is disgusting. So everything's gonna be painted, new carpets, everything's gonna be done the right way, okay? Guys, coming through here, we have a little hallway area here. We have our bathroom. I'm not gonna send you in there, but with this bathroom, we have peeling paint all over here. We gotta repaint this entire thing. Probably, honestly, rip this vanity out completely and put a brand new vanity in. It's falling to pieces. And put a new toilet in there as well, okay? Coming off into this bedroom right here, we have bedroom number one. Bedroom number one needs drywall work. We have issues in the walls, holes in the walls. The doors, we need new doors for the closets. Everything in here is gonna be painted, new light fixtures, and all new flooring throughout the entire home. So that's gonna be a common theme in every single room that we go into. Walking into bedroom number two, same exact thing here. All new flooring throughout this entire room. New drop ceiling tiles, new light fixtures. Guys, look at that fan, my God. Ugh. There is a door in front of the window. Why is that? Usually it's never a good sign. Because that window is disgusting and rotted out. So we'll put a new window in there as well, guys. Whenever you see something in houses and there's a big door blocking something, always move it. Because usually there's not a lot of good things that are gonna be behind a big door. It's always things are being hidden. I see this door up against the window. I don't think, oh wow, there's a door up against the window. I can't wait to remove it and see a big beautiful window. Of course not. So when you guys walk through your houses, make sure if you see something a little, you look at it. Again here, ton of electrical work we need to do, but also every single cover's bad. So all new covers. Guys, this is horrendous. Look at this floor, my goodness gracious. We're gonna rip all this up, put all new carpet down. The person that put this carpet down, I mean, who put this carpet down? It's terrible. Look at this floor underneath. It's so bad. So bad. We're gonna rip all the floors up underneath, take it right down to the subfloor, put way better pads down, and put real carpet down in here. This is crap. And this is what happens when you put crap down. So guys, bedroom number three is right here. It used to, it had vinyl. I'm assuming, honestly, this at one point might have been a kitchen, but or not a kitchen, but a dining room of sorts. New drop ceiling tiles in here, new light fixtures, all new flooring, all new paint. everything. Some ugly windows, ugly windows. And then coming into the kitchen. So we need all new flooring throughout the entire kitchen. All this horrific plank flooring's coming up because the person that put it in didn't know how to put it in right. Stove actually looks really good. We're gonna have to put a refrigerator in. This floor is nice and slippery and slimy, just how I like it. So coming in here, brand new light fixture in here as well. Rip this out, paint this entire kitchen. It's disgusting. Oh gosh, what is going on here? Okay, and then we got a little mudroom off the back. That needs a new window in the back here. A dog, it was in here at one point. So, of course, put a new door in here as well. Okay, let's get out of here. My goodness, clean this whole thing up. It's a big job, guys. This is a big job, but overall, I like it. I like it. When things are crappy like this and they're beat up and they look terrible, these are the ones that you are gaining value. There is so much value to be added here. We're on a really nice street. We're in a really nice section of Birmingham. It's a safe area. It's quiet. This is a home that once we get somebody in it, they're gonna stay here forever. We're providing so much value to not only the community, but you're providing value to yourself in this investment. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna make this unit significantly better. You're gonna add money. This house is worth 50 now. After we're done with it, it'll be worth well over 100,000. And you've just created an asset that is now worth roughly 20,000 more than you bought it for and that you put into it for. So immediate equity, immediate cash flow. We'll get great rent on this as well. Really, really happy for Chuck. This is a prime property. I love value add properties like this. And guys, if you want to get into this sort of thing, I have my email below. Send me an email. Let's get started. Don't care where you're at, what position in your life, if you have never invested in real estate before, or if you've already bought 10 properties, shoot me an email. We'll get you stuff like this. We'll get it onboarded and we'll get it right. So we'll see you next time.